y'all, it's Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the January 2023 VillaBeauTIFFul kit titled Aphrodite. Y'all, I have been honestly picking and choosing which VillaBeauTIFFul kits I order, but you know I'm not missing anything with pink and rose gold. So let's go ahead and get all of this stuff out of here and off to the side because I'm super excited. I'm always here for pink. So here is the journaling card. Super cute. The pinks and the golds with the rose gold. Loving the swan. Loving that pop of the burgundy there. Cute, cute. There are no more kit cards, and so I'm not going to go in any particular order. I'm just going to grab what's here off the top. So the first thing we have are these kit stickers, the sticker pack. Oh, y'all, look at the colors. It's just giving. Love it. Okay, so that's page 1, the kit sheet. Page 2, the line boxes. Y'all, look how pretty that rose gold is. We've got hearts, variety shapes, numbers. Oh, that rose gold is so pretty. Mini shapes, and these are all clear. Splashes and deco quotes. So pretty, y'all. So this is the sticker pack. And then we've got a bow charm keychain. Look how pretty that is, y'all. Ooh, ooh. Oh, we've got plenty of things to tie it to. So we've got a clip here with the bow and a little dangly heart. And then you've got this, I can never remember what this is called, but just another way to attach it to whatever it is you're going to use. Rose gold hardware. Super pretty, y'all. Look at it. That's so cute. So that is the bow charm keychain. Next we have the magnetic heart bookmark. Oh, this little kit is so cute. Oh, y'all, look at that. That's so sweet. Y'all know this kit is giving all the Valentine's Day vibes. Look at that. Has the VB logo. Super cute. So that's the magnetic heart bookmark. Oh, next we've got this cute little, oh, let's see what it is. Y'all know VillaBeauTIFFul is famous. Okay, that's what that charm, that extra piece in the charm was for, so you can attach it there. Ooh, y'all know VillaBeauTIFFul is good for stuff like this, for small leather goods. You can carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pens in here, and then there's a little pocket on the side. Super soft vegan leather with the snap. There's the back. Super cute. And then we have these mini heart sticky notes. These look like paper, but they're super cute as well. They are paper. And they are sticky. Whoa, real sticky. So we've got the mini heart sticky notes. Let's jump into this washi because, ooh, baby. Ooh. Got to be more careful. Can we get it open? Y'all gonna let me be great today or not? Y'all, I had to find another solution because I was in here cutting myself up. So we've got the 15mm roll that has the pinks, the roses. Look at the dove, the rose gold, y'all. That is stunning. And then we've got this 7.5mm with the pink and the rose gold geometric design. Pretty as well. And look how well they complement each other. So though that is our washi for the month. Pick that up because I know I'll be using that shortly. Next, let's jump into the sticker book because I'm always here for the sticker book. So again, this is the January 2023 kit titled Aphrodite. Let's bust that open. So we've got our full boxes here on the first page. Got our different functional pieces. More full boxes. Some pay bill stickers, some double boxes, and some hexagons. Half boxes and some quarter boxes. We've got headers. I really like that font here. This font here, super pretty. 4 sets of date covers. I love that she reformatted this kit so you can use this for an entire month. We've got some deco stuff up here. And this page is pretty much made for smaller planners. We've got our clear deco on this sheet. Some more clear deco. I love these journaling pieces. And another page. Y'all, I really love the way that this sticker book has been reformatted. It's pretty much for any kind, any size planner you have. Last but not least, y'all, let's get into this pen because I've been staring at it and she is marvelous. Good night. Y'all, look at the pearls in there. Do y'all see that? She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Look at it. Oh my god, she's gonna be on my desk for quite a while. She is beautiful. She is Aphrodite. Y'all, VillaBeauTIFFul does it every time. We got our sticker book. We have our pen. 2 rolls of beautiful washi. Sticky notes. We've got our purse. Magnetic bookmark. Bow charm keychain. We've got our sticker pack. Don't ever forget our pen refill because every time you buy a pen from VillaBeauTIFFul you get the refill. And the journaling card. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.